Hello everybody and welcome to Alkaline Water Today. I'm your host, Gerardo, and today's video is called How to Clean Your K8. It's recommended you clean your machine at least once a month um, to keep it making the best alkaline water on the planet. Again, in Magic, if you don't know already, those of you who already have a machine or watching the video to learn how to clean your machine. Those of you that don't know about Enagic's been making the best water ionizers to make the best alkaline water on the planet since 1974. This model here is the K8. This came out in 2014. Today it makes the highest quality alkaline water on Earth. It's the only company on the planet, it's the only ionizer on the planet that has received the certificate, the gold seal certificate from the Water Quality Association. So today's video, real quick, excuse me, you're going to need your cleaning solution. This canister is $25. It lasted me like a year and a half. It just depends on how often you clean your machine. Some people want to clean it every 2 weeks. I clean it once a month because I don't really make that much water. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to need 1 scoop. Okay, your little canister comes with 1 scoop. So you're going to need 1 scoop of the cleaning powder. If you just bought your machine comes with 6 little packets. You're going to need 2 packets every time you clean your machine, and you're going to mix it in this little cleaning tank. This says cleaning tank on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn on your machine. And I always, anytime when you get your machine, try to save everything you can. So it's going to come with a little bottle of electrolysis enhancer. So save that, and that way you get the right measurement for your cleaning tank. So what I do is I fill this up with 7.0 clean water, okay, which I already did to save time on the video. So that's all you do, just fill this little bottle up with clean water, 7.0 pH. It's not alkaline or acidic, it's just neutral. But I've already done that. Okay, so I've got my cleaning solution and my water, 7.0 clean water in there. And if you can see on the very bottom, there's the tip of the little hose. You always want this on the right lower corner of the container, because it's going to go into the machine just like this. Okay. Then you're going to have your cleaning cartridge. Okay. I always use a little funnel to put the powder into the cleaning tank. And you got your little red cap that goes on the end of the secondary hose. And I clean my machine once a month. The filter inside here is already, this is April 2021. I got the filter in March or April of, actually March of 2020, just last year. These filters, while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and change by the way, I'm going to go ahead and change the filter. I've got a brand new filter here. But these filters, they last about 8 to 12 months, depending on how much water you use. They recently went up. They used to be 110, now they're 130. So 130 a year is not bad for having the best alkaline water on the planet. But we're going to go ahead and get started here. It's very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take the covers off just like this. They just come off. This here, just pull up on it a little bit and move it out of the way. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but on the side of here I've been writing all the dates. So the last time I cleaned the machine was January 19th, 2021. Today's February 5th, 2021. So it's been about a month. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and clean the machine. and instead of putting this filter back on, I'm going to go ahead and switch it for the new filter. Okay, so it's very simple. What you want to do is power on your machine, go to settings, then you're going to go to e-cleaning. Do you want the instructions? Yes. We'll go ahead and put yes. So then it says pour 2 packets of the cleaning powder, which we already done because we used the little thing. We've already got that pre-mixed for the video. So we're going to say we already did that. So now it says please insert the cleaning cartridge. So all you do is take out the electrolysis tank and slide in the cleaning tank, just like that. Again, make sure the little end of the hose is at the right lower corner of the tank, so it consumes all the cleaning solution. So once you do that, you click OK. Then it says please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Again, this is the cleaning cartridge, if you can see that. It's got a big hole and a little hole. Sometimes the little gaskets get stuck in there, so I always have a little handy toothpick. So all you do is slide this little lever to the left. This comes off. Then you wiggle your little filter out of there, see? And this time they didn't get stuck, but just in case, I always keep it handy. So what I do is, before I put the cleaning cartridge on there, I wipe down the little holes, stick the cleaning cartridge on there, and then you put this little clamp back on. Okay, it's just a little clamp. You just lay it on there where it fits nice and flat. Then you just slide it to the right. Just slide it to the right all the way till it won't go anymore. So then that's ready. So we've done that. Now it says please put the cap on the secondary hose. That's going to be this little thing right here. So there's the secondary hose at the bottom, if you can see that. Okay. And then once you've done that, you just it'll say click OK, and then it's going to say press start to begin the cleaning. So now it shows 3 hours, okay, and it's already starting to clean. That's all you got to do. So on the second part of the video, we're going to come back and we're going to reverse everything, put everything back the way it was, but we're going to replace the filter. Oh, just so you see, let me drain some of this water out here. If you can see, I got this filter on April the 5th, 2020, and then I cleaned it on the April 25th, June 8th, July, twice in July, August, September, October, November, December, and January. So I've cleaned it every month since I put the new filter on. Well, ever since I got the machine. So then you just let it, it'll say powering off, but it's still cleaning. So just don't worry about it, just let it clean. Then in 3 hours, come back and put everything back the way it was, and your machine will be clean for the next 30 days. It's going to make the best, highest grade alkaline water on the planet for about 8 cents a gallon versus $6 to $8 a gallon for imitation alkaline water that you might buy at the store. So if you want, you can stop throwing your money away, stop giving the money all to the big stores, and save your money and make your own alkaline water at home. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll be back with the next part 2 of how to clean your machine. Okay, thanks a lot. Oh yeah, by the way, if you learn anything here, be sure you give me a thumbs up, a like, share the video, and stay tuned for upcoming more training videos that will help you optimize your machine and learn how to use all the 7 different types of water that your machine makes. And anyway, anything you can need help with, just contact me. So again, please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.